Hello everybody, and today is the 3rd anniversary of the Surprise Party series. Yep, that's right. On this day in 2022, the Surprise Party series premiered on YouTube, and this is a really good show so far.
I know! ATV is coming!
Of course he is. And there it was. Everyone hide. Zip.
Hello, ATV here. First, when I turn on the light, hit the surprise button on your remote.
Yes, so shh.
Okay, here I go. Whoa, that's the upside down button. Press the right side up button. Thank you.
Huh? We didn't think that was the correct button. Try again.
Yeah, of course. Now if you can just press the surprise button.
Surprise!
Well done. You got it right.
Good game. Well played.